Hello everybody and welcome to another episode of LJ Law, Family Law TV. I am Bonnie Leonardo, your host. Today's question comes to us from Carlos, and he wants to know what can he do when his son is refusing to do reunification with the mother that has been ordered by the court. Before I get started answering that question, I want to remind you that if you have questions about this particular topic or any other family law topic, please don't hesitate. Go to vegasdivorcemeeting.com. I'll be more than happy to sit down with you to discuss your particular situation. So Carlos is going through a divorce right now, and his son is refusing to go to therapy, reunification therapy with his mother, which has been ordered by the court. He wants to know, what can I do? I can't get him to go. I fight with him. I tell him he needs to go, but he refuses to go. The son, by the way, is 10 years old. And although I understand that this is very frustrating to physically force a child to do anything, even though the child is a minor, the parents have the right to coerce or make the children do what they need to do. We're not advocating that the parents physically drag the children and make the children do what the court has ordered or what the children need to do, right? But aside from that, I want to explain to you that the courts follow the therapist's recommendations, and most therapists believe that it is in the best interest of the children to go to reunification therapy, to have both of their parties and parents involved in their lives, and this is really a good outcome for both of the parents and the children. The court is always looking out for what is in the best interest of the children, and the court agrees with the therapist that reunification therapy is very good for the family as a whole, and particularly good for the children, as the children need to have a relationship with both parents. So the fact that Carlos's son is not abiding by the court order unfortunately leaves him in a very tough situation, because the court is going to expect that the parents work together to try to get these children to abide by the court order and go to this reunification therapy. Now, Carlos, you're going to have to show the court that you have attempted to do this, and that short of dragging the child to the therapist session, you are unable to accomplish this. However, I do not believe, based on my experience, that the court will side with you and agree that a 10-year-old is going to mandate what it needs to be done, and the 10-year-old is going to decide that he is going to violate the court order. So for this reason, please get together with your with your son's mother, work together with her, work together to get this child to understand, and to get this child understanding that he needs to go to this reunification therapy, so that you, on the off chance that the court gets frustrated, does not accuse you of violating the court order and or imposing sanctions on you because you cannot control a 10-year-old child. I hope that this has helped to answer this question. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you know somebody who can benefit from this information, please don't hesitate and share this with them. And as always, thank you for tuning in, and I will speak to you next time.